You have one charged capacitor and one uncharged capacitor. One charged capacitor and one uncharged capacitor. How do you decide and solve what happens when they are connected? When they are connected. Okay, so there are two ways to solve it. Obviously, I'm going to give you both the ways. So how do we, so can you see the two equations, the two conditions? Yeah. So I'm going to draw a separate diagram for both. Initially, this is the picture. Hey, initial picture, why don't I draw it here itself? This is initially. C is the capacitance, 2C is the capacitance. This is plus minus, and in fact, if you want, this is plus minus 0. But that's obvious, right? Finally, this is how they look like. Which is the first method you want? KCL. Okay. Let's do by KCL. So 2C, right sir, and this is C, right sir. So KCL says, choose one, anywhere one to be 0. Any one. Let me choose this to be 0. And this to be, sir? This to be V. Okay. This is V. Okay. And this is 0. Although I could say this very simply. I could simply say two things are there only. When will the charge transfer stop? When they have the same potential. Even if you don't want to say that, don't say it. Don't say it. It's okay. It's fine. Is it okay now? Island. This looks like an island. And now here is the catch. Here is the catch. This is where people goof up. What is, so by KCL, so I'm going to solve this problem by KCL. Kirchhoff current law. Charge on C plate. How do you find that? C into that side's potential minus the other side's potential. Very good. Other one. 2C into that side's potential minus the other side potential. And this is where it gets interesting. Till this time, you have been putting it equal to 0. But I never said that it's equal to 0. I said it's equal to the old charge. This time there is an old charge, my lord. This time, the old charge is that this plate already has a CE charge and this plate has a minus CE charge. This has 0, this has 0. So what will you write here? That's right, CE plus 0. Or CV plus 2CV is equal to CE. Or E by 3. What am I supposed to find? I'm supposed to find the charge on them. Let's do that. Let's do that. Get it? So let's bring this home. What is the charge on each capacitor now? So these are the two capacitance. This is C, II. This is 2C, II. So they both have plus, minus, E by 3, E by 3. Correct? Let's say this is capacitance 1 and this is capacitance 2. So can you please tell me what is Q1 equal to? CE by 3. Very good. Q2 equal to 2CE by 3, sir. Very good. Click. Can I do it? Yes, you can. You can do it by KVL. I will do it. Chalo. Let's do it by KVL. Right, sir. Let's do it by KVL. How much charge does this plate has? So this is T equal to 0. And T equal to 0 connects them. How much charge is here? Sir, here it's plus C. How much charge is here? Minus C. Ready? Ready. Finally, Draw the diagram for KVL. Draw the diagram for final. In KVL, what do you choose? Now, this is a classic lesson. See, I never do it. I never do any madness without a method in it. I gave you charge convention of capacitor. I'm gonna go all mad with it. Watch. Yeah. Let's say Q charge transacted. What is Q? Is it charge on capacitor 1? No. Is it charge on capacitor 2? Not by definition. What is it? It's a charge which traveled. At what time? Not at what time. In what time interval? From 0 till the equilibrium came. Okay. So now, this plate had C charge. So how much it has now? Is if Q has left, it's C minus Q. Very good. Correct or not? Correct, sir. How much does this plate has? So this had, this Q went here, came here. So sir, this has Q. Very good. The other one will have minus Q. Absolutely. And sir, then this came here, and this will be minus C plus Q. Take your time. And now I'll show you how to become rebel without a cause. Yeah, rebel without a cause. But only once. Only once I'm going to do this Atrangi thing, right? Not anymore. I'm going to deliberately assume a weird choice of plus minus. Deliberately. What are you talking about? Yeah. Watch what happens. Now, this side, let's say this is plus and this is minus. Why? Because it's like very obvious, Q and minus Q, right? And what do you write in between? In the middle, you write Q by 2C. And here comes the kicker. Who was plus before? The upper plate. Deliberately, mind you. Deliberately, I am putting this as minus and this as plus. Deliberately, of course, deliberately. Just to prove you a point that I can do whatever I want, provided I double down. What did I teach you? Whichever side you choose plus, that plate's charge upon C, its capacitance, is the PD. Which side you chose plus? It's the lower. Minus CE plus Q upon C. Take your time. No rush. Now what? KVL. How do you apply KVL? Leftmost corner point, go clockwise. So if I go clockwise, first I go from plus to minus. So minus Q by 2C. Then, as per my choice, I go plus to minus again. So again minus. Why not? Again minus. You asked for it. And in between, minus C plus Q by C is equal to 0. Looks like it, sir. C and C gets cancelled. It does, sir. Or minus Q minus 2 minus C plus Q equal to 0. Looks like. Open the bracket. Minus Q plus 2CE minus 2Q equal to 0. This gives me Q equal to what? 2CE by 3. Take care. We are not done. We are not done. Do you appreciate the fact what I did here? Do you? That you could choose anywhere as positive, anywhere as negative, but wherever you choose positive, that side's charge, that plate charge upon C will be the PD written between the plus and minus sign. Got it? Good stuff? Good stuff. We are not done yet. Now what has happened? What has happened is this. How much was the charge here? Plus C. How much was the charge here? Minus C. How much was the charge here? 0 and 0. This is C, this is 2C, this is capacitance 1 and this is capacitance 2. How much charge went around? You just found out, na, Q. So 2CE by 3 went around. Correct? That means what must have happened? This must have happened. What is C minus 2C by 3? Plus C by 3. Obviously, the other side will have minus C by 3. And 2C by 3 comes here. This is capacitance 2. This is 1. And click. Like that.